We are looking at how to pronounce this name. The name of this Japanese director. In Japanese, it is said as Makoto Shinkai. Easy once you know. Makoto Shinkai or Shinkai Makoto. We are looking at how to pronounce this name. The name of this Japanese director. In Japanese, it is said as Makoto Shinkai. Easy once you know. Makoto Shinkai or Shinkai Makoto. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.